Okay guys, so whilst we're up here, look, we got a better view of Tanit there. Okay, wow. This is something very different. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, this is brilliant. This is brilliant. My god, it's tilting sideways. Got even faster. Wow, this is awesome. Oh my god, this is cool.
راسها على السيمانتو انت راسها طاح على الرقاره تاع ميه هو قرب له ميه شخر تاع تشهر بلوك ايوا بركه ما ماتش هكا ديما قلت هو.
So he decided to teach his friend how to operate the attraction there, guys. So I got a longer cycle. I also got left dangling. A little bit dodgy, but I'm not going to lie. I don't know what they're doing with disc spinners in the UK and Europe, because that thing is absolutely awesome. So much better. I do feel a bit sick now, though. Yeah, no, that was actually really cool.